What's up, guys? Hola, ¿cómo está? And we have made it. I'm not really in a rush to get there, so if you want to, we can even cruise through Golden Gate Park. Okie doke, spinach and artichokes. We are on the way to good old PEV Works on this glorious Friday. Alden brought over his side mirrors that I tried to put on. Unfortunately, one of the pieces of the mirror got stuck in the fucking handlebars. So we're on the way to PEV Works to hopefully get them to suck that thing out and then get those mirrors put on really quick. We may have to stop somewhere in the mission and get a drink, like water or something. Actually, let's stop right here really quick. Like a drink really quick, like a bottle or something. Hello. Can I just grab this smart water here really quick, please?
$2.50, please.
There's my wallet. Yeah, a few more days, like the whole entire city, we can...
Right? I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah, me too.
I probably keep wearing mine for a little bit.
Yeah, of course.
Many people in and out here.
Yes, 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 of course.
At the beginning at least, until I feel like, okay.
Thank you very much, appreciate it.
Welcome, thank you.
Have you guys been busy today?
Yeah, it's okay.
That's good.
We got in there, we survived.
Yeah,
right?
well, yes, that's good, you survived.
It's already good.
It's good to still see you guys here. Thank you. Oh, hold on, I'm gonna do something too. I have to get my music going. If you get one of these headsets, we can talk to each other via Bluetooth through them. That place is really good. That place always has a line. All right, we're now taking a ride on Potrero District. And now this will take us all the way to fucking PEV Works. All right, we are down in South City to a point. About to hit up PEV Works. Damn, deli barbecue chicken ribs, what? All right, we are almost at PEV. We're gonna go see our buddies. And yeah, we're on a Apparel Way. You can see a bike down here, one at the garage. That's our garage. What's up, guys? Yep, might have to hold. Oh crap, let's see.
Might have to tilt it a bit and...
Actually, yeah, hold on. Use the switch type, or is it try to push through here, and then it's going to come all the way over here. Now he just has to try to grab it in there. That's the interesting part. Okay, we still have to put this handle back on. When in doubt, use the rubber mallet. Boop! Solid! Okay, we got, just pounded in the handle with the mallet. Now we're going to put... We need to find an X-Acto knife, and then we have to cut into the other side.
Rating.
Yep. Yeah, so just cutting into this so we can get the other one set in here. Okay, now we're just gonna tighten it up, and that should be good. All right, he's just gonna do a quick ride around the block. We just wanna make sure that those mirrors stay in place, that we installed them correctly. I'm sure we did. This is really nothing to it. Just checking out his visuals. Yeah, solid, nice. All right, guys, we just got done putting on Alden's, both of his mirrors on his bike where PV works. Got a really cool video here coming up probably within the next few weeks. Brand new toy. I really would have loved to have this as a kid, hands down. All right, guys, we just got done with the mirrors. So his mirrors are legitly on now. Like I said before, for the people that have put these on their vehicles or their bikes, I don't understand how it was that hard. It was actually pretty easy if I didn't lose the outer sleeve. How are they working? Good. Yo, Luis! What's up? It's Anthony, man.
Huh?
What's up, brother?
What's going on, man?
Not too much, man. How's your day going?
It's going good. About to go home.
Yeah, man. Come up, lift sometime.
Right on.
All right. See you soon, man. Oh, I see a nice car up here. Let's try to catch up to him, shall we? Yeah, that's a hot rod. Woo! I like that. Everything's nice. Yeah, man, I like your car. Wow, looks like Fisherman's Wharf's getting busy again. Yeah. Looks nice. All right, well, let's go down, y'all. Try to give this person a high five. Oh, they put their arm back in. Damn it. Woo, that's a good view. Look at that. All right, we just got done eating, and now I have to head back home.
Probably go
Yeah, definitely, brother.
around, man.
All right, good times.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, message me too whenever you're free next, and we can go for another ride.
Sounds good, man.
All right, brother. Have a good one.